Hi guys, Kelsey Saldana here with Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group. Just wanted to hop on and chat with you quick about home renovations. So one of the biggest questions we get are what improvement projects will help when it comes time to sell. So just to talk about a few, a minor kitchen remodel, if you were to do this, you are going to receive about a 98.5% return on your investment. If you were to do a minor bathroom remodel, this could be as simple as possibly new flooring, painting the vanity, as well as changing out the hardware. You will see about 102% return on your investment. The next one would be, how is the condition of your roof? If your roof is shot and you are thinking about selling, I would absolutely start looking into this. You would receive about 109% return on your investment for a brand new roof. So if you were to think of, if you were a buyer out looking at properties, maybe your home is absolutely gorgeous, but you need a brand new roof, a lot of buyers are going to be turned off if there is a roof that is shot. So definitely something to make sure if you're thinking about selling that your roof is in good condition. The next one would be hardwood flooring. If you have hardwood flooring that maybe is in rough shape, I would absolutely spend the money before listing to have your floors refinished. You will see 100% return on this. If you were to put in all new flooring in your home, you would see about a 91% return. Lastly is paint. Paint can make a night and day difference, especially if you are thinking about selling, making sure you stick to neutral tones and don't go crazy with dramatic colors. This just makes the home feel bright and clean, and by using those neutral tones throughout your home, you are exposing the home to multiple buyers when you're listed and appealing to the maximum amount of buyers by keeping those neutral tones throughout the property. There are other things that you can do as a homeowner just to keep up with your property, especially as we enter spring here in a few months. One of the biggest ones would be to just do a good deep clean of your property. Also declutter. What I like to say is give every room a purpose. So if you are using an office as an office, playroom, TV room, bedroom, give that one purpose. If you want it to be an office, truly make it an office. Another one would be caulking. If you go to the hardware store, spend $5 and update that to keep things looking fresh and clean in your bathrooms as well as possibly in your kitchen. Another one would be windows. So making sure, especially before you list, that you thoroughly clean those windows inside and out. You could also, if you're thinking about listing, remove heavy, bulky window treatments that make things feel more dark. And then lastly, making sure the exterior of your home is in good condition. So when buyers walk up to your property, that is the first impression they have of your home. So just making sure everything looks nice and clean. If you have any specific questions about home improvement projects or wondering if it would be worth it or your return on your investment, feel free to comment below, as well as if you have a particular room in your home that you are struggling with decorating or how to stage it, feel free to also post a photo below and I will let you know my thoughts. And lastly, we have a little office debate. If you are into wallpaper, I would love to know. Comment below. I am all for wallpaper right now and actually considering putting it in a main floor bathroom. So I'd love to know your thoughts on if you think that trend is going to stay or if it's a short-lived trend that's here right now. Otherwise, have a wonderful Friday. Thank you.